everyone, Michael Bodner here again with another update. Today I'd like to talk about saving money. Fun topic for all of us. You'll see here on the screen I've had the car for just about 4 months now, actually a little more than 4 months. I've driven 6,992 miles. I'd like to take a direct comparison, BMW 340i against the Model 3 long-range battery. You'll see to cover 6,992 miles in a BMW 340i, getting 25 miles per gallon, I would use 280 gallons of gas. Local gas prices here in South Florida using 93 octane are about $3.42 and change per gallon. So in about 4 months, I would have spent $958.46 on gas. Now let's take a look at the Model 3 long range. These are actual figures. I've used 1,813 kilowatt hours, and I'm getting about 130 miles per gallon equivalent. My home fuel costs are, as you can see, just below 11 cents per kilowatt hour, and I've spent $195.24 on electricity. You can see where we're going with this. That's $763 that I've saved in 121 days of driving. If we make that, push that out for 1 year, $2,302 that I will save in 1 year. And over 6 years of ownership, $13,814 will be saved. So what does that look like if we break it down as actual affordability over a 6-year period with both cars? The BMW might cost a little bit less on day one, $53,800, equivalently spec to the Model 3 long range. But again, I'll spend $17,347 on fuel. I'll have $3,800 worth of oil changes over the 6-year period, and I'll have a total spend of, just shy of $75,000. Model 3 long range, fully loaded with everything but full self-drive, is $56,500. My fuel cost, fuel in quotes of course, electricity, would be $3,534. I won't have any oil changes, and I'll have a total spend of just over $60,000. So you can see, huge difference. A couple things that I am not considering here, any taxes or fees at time of purchase, but those should roughly be equivalent given the close prices of the car. Also not including any electric vehicle incentives. My car did qualify for the $7,500 US federal tax credit. So as you can see, the difference is even larger in my case with that credit. For those who maybe are just about to order a car, given what Elon Musk just said about the time to delivery, if you're looking at the first production Model 3, you actually still have a chance to even get that $7,500 credit if you're in the US, possibly down to the $3,750 credit. But the point I'm trying to make here is regardless of the credit, we're already there. In fact, the battery-powered electric vehicle is going to save you a tremendous amount of money. And really, as the title of the show says, the more you drive, the more you save. So basically in our household, the Model 3 has become the everyday car, not just for my commute to work, but our family vacations, our weekend driving around town. And it's really true. And the more gas prices rise, the more the savings will be there. So I hope you enjoyed this short one. Just wanted to walk you through the differences between an ICE gas vehicle and an electric vehicle, in our case, looking at the Model 3 and the BMW 340i. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, everyone.